gorgeous people, it's Amber. Welcome back to my channel. So we're done with the eBay shoe hauls. I have not shopped on eBay for shoes since that last haul that I just showed you. But when I was shopping on eBay looking for shoes, I noticed that ThredUP sold shoes on eBay. So that prompted me to go ahead and go over to their site and check out what they had just overall. But I was obviously mainly shopping for shoes. Now they might have had the same things listed on eBay that they sell on their website as well. I don't know. I didn't compare, but it just prompted me to go check out their site. And oh my gosh, I am so glad that I did. If you have never shopped on ThredUP before, it is a must shop. That is the most organized online shopping store that I've ever been on. It was amazing. So I just went on there mainly to look for the shoes, and I was able to sort the shoes by size. But when I went to sort by the inches for the heel height, amazingly enough, they had a selection on there 5 inches and above. So it wasn't every site that I'm on. It's always 3 inches or 4 inches and above. And then you're sorting through all these shoes that are probably not the heel height that you want. But because they had that additional inch on there for sorting, the 5 inch and above, it made it amazing for me. I knew that every single pair that I was looking at was at least 5 inches. And that was a huge plus for me. I was so excited. And then when you're sorting, you can also sort by shoe styles and just everything. It was the most organized, best shopping I've ever done online. And not only that, they had great deals on name brand shoes. So this was a little bit of a splurge haul. You're going to see on here that I did pay a little bit more for the shoes than I normally do. I like to be $10 and under, but for this particular haul, I think all of the shoes were $10 or more, not $10 and under. So, but they had a gorgeous, and I mean gorgeous Versace pair of shoes on there that I wanted so incredibly bad. I think I may have even stuck them in my cart, like just dreaming for a second. But they were only $300, which is an awesome price for Versace heels, but I just didn't want to pay $300 for a pair of shoes. But I seriously contemplated it for like a really long time because they were so gorgeous. And they were in the 5 inches and above. I think they might have been a 6.5 inch heel. Oh my God, they were gorgeous. I can't stop thinking about them. But at any rate, I did not get those shoes. That will not be part of this haul. So I just wanted to make sure that you guys knew that if you have not shopped on ThredUP, make sure that you do, because that is an awesome site. They have amazing deals. They have name brands, and it is the most organized shopping that I've ever done. I love their sorting features. Whoever designed that site did a fantastic job, and it was just amazing shopping. So definitely jump over there if you haven't already. So without further ado, let's get into the shoes that I bought on their site. Okay, as always, we are going to start with my least favorite pair of shoes. And I gotta say, for the amount that I spent on these shoes, I was a little bit disappointed with the haul overall. But, you know, I'm still going to wear the shoes. I still love their site. I mean, it was just amazing to shop on the site. But I guess I'm used to paying $10 or less for my shoes. So I guess the fact that I paid more, I was expecting better. I don't know. At any rate, let's get into this first pair. And for the first pair, it is this one. What? So, you know, when I saw this shoe, I really like the intricate design on the front here. That's what actually prompted me to buy this shoe. I really like how they have, you know, all this strappy stuff going on. They got the different colors. They have the print. I believe it's a houndstooth. It looks like it might be like a houndstoothy kind of print. Maybe, maybe not. I don't know, whatever. There's a lot of weaving happening here. I just really liked all the stuff that they had going on. That's what actually prompted me to buy this shoe. This is a wedge heel, and it is a 5.5 inch heel, so it's really comfortable. I mean, the shoe was comfortable to walk in. I loved all of those features about it. I just wasn't as excited as I thought I would be when I got the shoe in, but they do have a nice rubber sole on the bottom. I was excited about that, so that was really exciting because I don't get that very often, so that was really fun for me. But I'm not gonna try to like pretend I can pronounce this name properly because I'm sure that I won't, but I guess it's Mossimo, Mossimo, is the brand of this shoe. So I'm not sure if that's a famous brand or not. I don't know. Like, I really don't know my name brand shoes, I guess you can say, or shoe designers. But I don't know. It's a cute shoe. I'll wear it. Am I really excited about it? No. I don't remember how much I paid for this one, but I'm sure that I'll pop it up there for you guys to see. But I'm sure that part of my disappointment, I can't even get that out. Part of my disappointment is the fact that it was more expensive than I'm used to paying for shoes. So I guess I was just expecting more from it. But overall, it's a great shoe. You know, yeah, we're going to move on. Okay, so this next pair, you've seen me buy shoes like this, I think, in like almost every haul. I don't know. I've been buying a lot of shoes like this recently. I'm not exactly sure what my obsession is with this color block heel situation and the neon, but I keep buying shoes like this. And pretty soon, all my shoes are going to look the same. So I've got to pump the brakes on it, but here's this next pair. So yeah, this next pair is actually G by Guess is the brand of the shoe. And it's actually a little shy of 5 inches. Now I understand why they stuck it in the 5 inches and above because it's pretty darn close, but it is just shy of 5 inches. It's not quite a 5-inch heel. It's a hot pink, a neon orange, and like a neon lime green on the heel here. Super cute shoe. I mean, overall, it's really cute. I mean, it fits me great. Everything's good about it except for the bottom, of course, is not what it should be. Definitely gonna have to add a gripper on the bottom of the shoe. Was I super excited about this shoe? Not really. I mean, it's looking like a lot of the other shoes that I got, so I don't know exactly why I keep buying shoes like this. I mean, I love them. I think they're really pretty and they're cool, but I need to like pump the brakes on them because I've got way too many in all of my hauls. So this will probably be the last pair that you see like this unless I find an amazing pair that I just absolutely have to have. But overall, this is a great shoe. You know, I ranked it second because I love the colors. You know, I love what they have going on here, and I just was not as excited about that first shoe. So overall, great shoe. Yeah, we're gonna move on to the next one. Okay, so this next pair I thought I was gonna just like fall over in love with, and I wasn't as crazy about it as I thought I was going to be, but I absolutely love the shoe. Don't get me wrong, I love it. We'll definitely wear it. Can't wait to wear it. So without further ado, here it is. What? Yes, this is a gorgeous metallic green teal shoe. I don't know, it kind of looked like it got like mosaic stones on it almost all throughout the shoe, and that's how the whole thing is made. It's got nice tread on the bottom. However, guys, this is not rubber, so it is a little bit slick. I might even have to add a gripper on here. I'm not sure yet. Probably try to experiment walking outside and all that with it, but it's actually a little slick. Even though it has this nice tread, it's not rubber tread, so that's the difference. Like, it was great of them to put the tread on there, but it would have been better if they would have put tread on there that was rubber tread. That would have been awesome. So it is a 6-inch heel, which is fantastic. Loving my 6-inch heels. But I love how they have buckles on the side here. I don't know, 1, 2, 3. There's 4 buckles all the way up the side. We have cutouts. Awesome. Loving it. It zips up the back here, which is great too. Easy to get in and out of. We have a nice open toe. I don't know, it's almost like an ankle boot with cutouts and an open toe. I don't know. That's how I'm kind of feeling that this is. I love it. The colors are great. Steve Madden is the brand of this shoe. This was one of the shoes that I paid a little bit more for because I was just expecting, I don't know, amazing. But when I got it in person, part of my disappointment was because it was more than I normally pay for shoes, as I've been saying this entire haul. And I guess I was just expecting, I don't know, something amazing. This is a great shoe, but I just don't feel it's that amazing shoe that I was expecting. I should hold it this way because these buckles are great on the side of the shoe. And I love the color. The metallic color is fantastic on this shoe. There are so many great things about the shoe, but overall, it's great, but I was just a little bit disappointed. So, you know, would I buy another shoe like this? Most likely, but not for the price that I paid for this one. That much I can tell you. So without further ado, let's jump into the next pair. Okay, this next pair is definitely more my speed. I was super excited about it, and I forgot to tell you guys at the beginning when I did my intro that there's only 5 pairs of shoes in this haul. 5 pairs of shoes. That's it. I didn't get like 7, 8, 9, 10, you know, all the ones that I got from my eBay hauls because I did pay a little bit more for these. So there's 5 pairs of shoes in this haul. So this is my next to last pair. So you know it's getting more exciting, right? But I absolutely love this pair of shoes. I was really excited. It was everything that I thought it was going to be, like it was in the picture. And here it is. Woo! I love this shoe. Yes, I love this shoe. So the colors of the shoe are so great. I love the gray with the, I don't know, I guess it's like a neon yellow, sort of. I don't know. But it's like a toned down neon yellow, I guess you can say. I don't know. I absolutely love the colors. And what sold me for this shoe, aside from the fact that these 2 colors look great together, I love that they have this awesome like silk, it's like a silk bow on the front of the shoe. So cute. I mean, this bow and the color combination totally sold me. Loving how this shoe looks. This is actually a 5.75-inch heel on this shoe, so that's really great too. We're getting into some more higher heels, which I'm excited about. Chinese Launday, I guess. I don't know. I'm probably butchering all these names, and I apologize. I really do, but you know, I pop it up so you guys can see how it's spelled in case you're interested in getting a shoe like this. But this is such a cute shoe. It was actually comfortable except for the front. It did pinch my my toes a little bit, but I just feel like I need to break it in for my foot. So I think once I do that, it'll be totally fine. But yeah, overall, this is so cute. I love this shoe. This is definitely hands down one of my favorites that I got. It is so cute. Love the color combination. I definitely don't have anything like this color combination in my closet. So I was really excited about this because I definitely have clothes that will go with this. I just don't have any shoes like this in my closet. So this was an exciting find for me. I'm very happy with this one. Very excited. Can't wait to wear it. So now, believe it or not, we're ready for our grand finale. So let's get into this grand finale shoe. Okay, so this shoe, to beat all shoes, for this particular ThredUP shoe haul, I can promise you there will be more ThredUP shoe hauls. I love shopping on that site. But at any rate, the shoe that is the top shoe for this haul is this one. I love this shoe. This shoe just screamed Amber as soon as I saw it. I absolutely love it. So this shoe is like a shiny, like faux patent leather kind of shoe. I love that it laces up the front here. So cute. Oh, loving the lace ups. Then we have a nice cutouts on the side of the shoe. It is a chunkier heel, and this is a 5.5-inch heel, which I was totally okay with. This is such a cute shoe. And then it zips up the back here, and it's open toe. Love how they stuck this awesome white accent on the front here. So you can see how it ridges out here. So cute. I absolutely love this shoe. This is so cute. It's almost like a weird work boots dominatrix shoe. I don't know. That's how the vibe that I'm getting from it. Totally me. Loving the shoe. I mean, I'm not a dominatrix, but I do like those shoes that go with that profession, I guess you could say. At any rate, I love this shoe. This is so cute. They almost did everything right on this shoe. The bottom, of course, I am definitely going to have to stick grippers on these individual things and back here because this is really slick. I mean, it is really slick. They definitely did not do rubber on the bottom here. If this was ridged rubber, oh my god, this would be amazing. I could go like run a marathon in this shoe because it is that comfortable. But because they didn't do that, I definitely have to add some grippers on the bottom there to make it more comfortable. HRH is the brand of this shoe, and I love almost everything about it. So this is a great shoe. Overall, this was a great haul. I mean, this shoe's great. The other shoes were great. Everything was pretty good. But I just am not used to paying that much for shoes, so I guess that's what my whole extra criticism was on these shoes, I guess you can say, because I'm not used to paying that much. So keeping that in mind when I'm shopping next time, I'll definitely want to stay more in my price range that I like to be in. I mean, while I look at the other shoes, of course I will. And, you know, I might make the same mistakes again and buy shoes that I think are going to be fabulous and be a little disappointed when I get them in. I don't know. We'll have to see. But I can promise you there will definitely be more ThredUP shoe hauls. I don't know when that will be. I mean, I'm just going to keep checking their site because they get new things in all of the time. I mean, you could check that site even twice a day and you're going to see something different than what you saw before. I mean, it's just amazing how organized and how great that site is. So definitely, if you've never shopped on ThredUP, definitely check it out. Definitely worth it. The shoes were good quality shoes. So yes, it is secondhand. So these are used shoes. But I'm telling you what, they were in great condition. I absolutely was pleased with how they came. They looked almost brand new, most of them. Yes, there was a few scuffs here and there, whatever. Nothing major. I mean, it was definitely worth it to shop on that site and get the secondhand shoes. So I definitely highly recommend it. I hope you're enjoying these videos. I hope that you enjoyed this haul. If you did, please hit that subscribe button. Click the notification bell, like, share, do all those things to help other people find this channel. Thanks so much for taking the time to check out this haul. I can promise you there will be more hauls in the future, but my next videos will be fixing the shoes that I got in all of these hauls. So make sure that you tune back in for that. And I'll catch you in the next one. Bye! awesome to shop for shoes on there, because not only was I able to sort by size, but I could also sort. I messed up, so I can't do it because I messed up. But I just went ahead and jumped over to their site to see what they had on the actual site, to see if it was, you know, I don't know, easier for me to shop at. I messed this up. Do it again. And I was sorting to look for my shoes, and I'm telling you what, it was a breeze. It was an absolute breeze. And then you can also short. I'm so excited I messed it up. Awesome. Let's do it again. I understand why they put it in the 5-inch and above, but it is actually a little shy of 5 inches. So I would probably put this more at like, I got an inch, so I got to do it again.